Hey guys, what's happening? Kenneth Roberts here. In this video, check out how to install a Noctua NH-D9 CPU cooler. So let's go through the steps starting now. Step 1. I've already removed the CPU cooler and I wiped off the old Thermopaste on the CPU. Now if your computer doesn't have a cutout, then you're going to have to remove the motherboard. Okay, step 2. So we're going to attach the backing plate. And the backing plate has 1, 2, 3 holes, and those holes represent these screws sticking out of the CPU backing plate that's attached to the motherboard. So you want to actually take the backing plate and insert it into the 4 holes. And this case, you got to actually put a piece of tape up here just to hold it in place, because I'm going to lay it down flat here so we can attach the brackets. So that looks pretty good. Step 3, you want to insert the plastic spacers on each post. Next, you want to look at the orientation and the direction that the fan is going to blow out the exhaust of the case. So this looks good. We're going to go in that direction, that orientation. So if you see the screw here, we want to put the brackets so that the curve is pointing out. And then we'll just tighten it down with the nuts. And the next step is to attach the brackets with the nuts. Screw those on. And go ahead and tighten it down firmly, not super tight. You might break something. You'll fill out when it stops. Okay, step 4 is to apply the Thermopaste. Put a drop right in the center. Now, you'll have to remove the fan, and there's these little wire clips. You just want to give it a couple of turns on each side, and you'll feel it stop, and then give it a final little snug. It'll bottom out. Okay, so that's on. Step 6, we're going to reattach the fan. So we want to put the fan in so that it's going to blow out. And we'll reattach it with these wire clips. And the last thing is to plug the 4-pin power source into the motherboard. Okay, there you have it. You can see how it's installed in there. And that's going to keep the CPU nice and cool. On this side, we'll go ahead and remove the blue tape. And we'll put the case back together, and this upgrade is complete. Thank you for watching.